Hello, So Squad! Ready to spice up your brand game? It's your host, Eva Wolf, the marketing maven who's been steering up success for nearly a decade already, helping brands and entrepreneurs sizzle in the spotlight. So today, we're steering the pot on a topic that's authors and hot sauce, building your personal brand. Let's dive in and cook up some serious brand magic together. In today's competitive business landscape, standing out from the crowd is more important than ever. Your personal brand is the key to making a lasting impression and attracting your ideal audience. In this episode, we'll explore the art of personal branding and how you can craft a brand that speaks to who you are and what you stand for. So first of all, you have to define your brand identity. Your personal brand is more than just a logo or a tagline. It's the essence of who you are and what you represent. So the question is how to define your brand identity by identifying your unique strengths, values, and passions. By understanding what sets you apart, you can create a brand that resonates with your audience on a deeper level. Start with authenticity. Your personal brand should be a reflection of your true self. Don't try to be someone you're not. Embrace your quirks, flaws, and imperfections. They are what make you uniquely you. Defining your brand identity is the first step. Then you have to establish your online presence. And it's the same. In today's digital age, your online presence is often the first impression you make on potential clients and collaborators. So you have to explore all strategies you can make for building a strong online presence that showcase your expertise and credibility. So from crafting a compelling LinkedIn profile to curating your social media presence, you can also cover the essential of establishing a professional and polished online brand. Again, I said that in other episodes, but consistency is key. Make sure your online presence is cohesive across all platforms. Use the same profile pictures, bio, and branding elements to create a seamless experience for your audience. I saw a lot of customers that make this mistake. They don't have the same slug. They don't have the same name. They don't have the same approach on every profile they have on social media. And this is very bad for your SEO. So if you really want to work on your SEO and work on your website and work on your social media, you have to link all together. First, it will make Google happy. Because it will just see the same keys, the same slug at every single place. What is a slug? It's the little words you have after the domain. For example, instagram.com/evawolf.fr. evawolf.fr is the slug. Same for Facebook, same for LinkedIn, same for TikTok, whatever the platform is. It's the same thing for everywhere. Every time you pick a surname, this surname show up on the slug of the website. So it's very important to focus on that. You have to have the same name, surname, slug on every single platform you use. Especially it's all these social media platforms are linked to your website because it gives you so many positive points for your SEO, and really you have to think about that first. You want people to find you online. This is one of the mistakes I saw. The second one I saw a lot. Please, all small businesses, if you are listening to me, when you use social media, put your fucking address on it. Last time I was scrolling, I saw a super quality content. I went to the page and I spent maybe 5 or 10 minutes to know where was this fucking restaurant. Oh, you can't think about that. You have a small businesses with an address. You put your address on every platform. And you have so many tools, you can put it straight away, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You can put the address on your business page or creator page. So do it. If you can do it, because you have to do it. So think about it, please. Because it's nice to have an aesthetic feed or minimalist feed, whatever. But if we don't know where you are, it doesn't matter. So first, we need to know who you are. What are you selling? Or you sell it? And where? Where are you selling your services or your product? Anyways, I'm going away from the brand, but please, when you want to have an online presence in a business context, strategy is about how resources are allocated to achieve a mission within a value network. The what, who, and how of the strategy is very important. What, the mission, or what will be achieved. Who, the value network, or who value will be created and captured with, and how all resources should be allocated to achieve the mission. Simple. What, who, how. At least focus on that. And then you can also answer the why question and the where question. Okay? Anyways, let's go back to build your personal brand. So define your brand identity, establishing your online presence, and then you have to create compelling content. Content is the secret ingredient that keeps your audience coming back for more. You have to cook up some mouth-watering content ideas that showcase your expertise and engage your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or Insta-worthy photos, you need to create content that leaves them hungry for more. Serve up content that adds value and leaves your audience craving seconds. Think quality over quantity. And don't forget your brand color, your brand elements, and show who you are. It's the number one secret sauce I can give it to you today. You have to show your personality in 2024. I have a big case right now with one of my customers. She wants so bad to increase her visibility, to increase her credibility on social media, but she don't want to show up on story. She don't want to make videos that show her expertise and all the strategy I make one time. So she said, oh yeah, Eva, I love it. Let's do that. 2 weeks after, I think about it again. I changed my mind. I don't want to do this strategy. This is not for me. Dude, it's for everyone. If you really want to be on social media and if you want to grow your visibility on social media, you have to make videos in 2024. Even on LinkedIn, they just released a new feature of LinkedIn just right now, May 2024. They just released the video features. Even on LinkedIn now, you will have videos that is very algorithm friendly. So if you want to grow on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Shorts, whatever the platform, you have to make video. And if you don't feel comfortable by showing your face, you can just show your voice at least and speak about what you did today with some random videos that show maybe even just your garden or just your paper or you cooking or whatever you want to show. You don't have to put your face on to show up on social media. You have so many other ways to do it. You can do mini vlogs, videos, showing your lifestyles without appearing on the video. You can do a voiceover. You can do so many things. You just have to be creative. So, creating compelling contents that match your brand color, brand element, brand personality, tone, tagline, whatever you want to match, you have to match all together and be you. Be just uniquely you. And don't be afraid to be you in 2024. You have to make a difference. So, after all that, defining your brand identity, establishing your online presence, and creating compelling content, you have to cultivate your network. Your personal brand isn't just about you. It's about the company you keep. So let's spice up your network and turn connections into collaborations. From networking events to online communities, show yourself, appear, speak up. Be a giver, not just a taker. Offer value, support, and encouragement to your network and watch your brand influence grow. But be honest. And please, if you over support or encourage people, you have to really care about people. It's so many people that they don't really care and just comment for the algorithm. Anyway, I'm just angry about these people. So if one of them listening to me right now and recognize himself or herself, I don't like you at all. And I'm sure you don't too, dude. Like, who like people, they comment fake encouragement and fake support, and they're not even your friends in IRL. Fuck that. Anyways, as we wrap up today's episode, remember that building your personal brand is a journey, not a destination. It's about continually refining your recipe, experimenting with new flavors, and staying true to your unique taste. Don't forget that, please. So grab your apron, so squad, and let's cook up a brand that's as bold and unforgettable as you are. If you found today's episode as tasty as I did, be sure to hit that subscribe button, please, for more spicy insights and inspiration to fuel your entrepreneurial journey. Until next time, keep saucing it up and making your mark on the world. See you soon to the next episode. Bisous!